And to me, y'all, that is a healthy breakfast. This yogurt right here, oh my God. I like Bulgarian yogurt so much better than I like Greek yogurt. It's more soury, creamy, but delicious. And the only thing I would change is if I could have gotten some roasted and non-salted pumpkin seeds. I couldn't find any. But this is so good. This is a healthy breakfast. It's got plenty of fiber in it. It's got plenty of protein in it. It's got the bananas that's giving you some sweetness. Little blueberries that's giving you some sweetness. It's got the probiotic bacteria. It's good for the gut. This yogurt is off the chain. I'm so excited about this. It comes in organic also, but they didn't have organic when I was ordering groceries. So I always put a note in my grocery cart that if they don't have the organic version, just send me the regular version. Not sponsored, just good. Y'all probably see it backwards. It's White Mountain Bulgarian probiotic yogurt. Up to 90 billion CFUs per serving. Some of you health people know what all that means. Before any of that matters, baby, it's got to taste good. So you want a healthy breakfast? This right here. This right here. That's what I got for y'all today. Ooh, Lordy, it's good. I'm Val Taylor. I will see y'all on the next video. Bye now. Better than Kellogg's, baby.